Crafting is the best form of self-expression. Welcome to Crafting with the Queen, where we believe that crafting is the best form of self-expression. Dive into a world where your hands bring your imagination to life, transforming simple materials into extraordinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting your journey, you're in the perfect place to explore, learn, and grow. Let's celebrate the joy of making, share our unique stories through our crafts, and inspire each other every step of the way. Get ready to express yourself in ways you've never imagined. Welcome aboard. Hey, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and like my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell to be notified when we upload new videos or go live.
Hey everyone, this is Ruby with Crafting with the Queen. Today we are going to go over on how to make a talking avatar. I did have a request, even though I have a video out there, but I'm going to go into more detail on what to do. I'm just grabbing my notes. But before we get started, I want to thank all my subscribers for coming back. And if you are new here, thank you so much for actually tuning in with us today. I do ask that if you're not a subscriber to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then also click on the notification bell so when we do upload new videos or go live, you'll be notified. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this. I don't want to prolong this. I'm going to go ahead and get up the websites and show you where I go to get everything. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need, as you can see, I have this screen up, which is called D-ID. It is a creator studio that you can create your videos in. This is also on Canva as well. I'm going to take myself out and I'm going to bring this up as a full screen so you can see. Now, you can actually log in on Canva if you have Canva, and this is on Canva as well. You can go directly to their website as well. So I want to show you on Canva. Let me see if I can bring Canva up here because I have it on Canva as well. So if you go down here, if you have the pro version of Canva, you will need that pro version. And so what you will see, there are apps over here. If you click on apps, it will bring up this particular D-ID, which is right here. He's a presenter. It is free. There are certain things you can do with this, and there are certain things you cannot do with it. This is where the other, I want to say, websites come in hand and play. So you are going to need this if you want to work out of Canva. Sometimes I don't work out of Canva with this. I go directly to their website to upload my videos and tweak it a little bit there. Then I bring it over to Canva if I want to put any other backgrounds in it. But you will need Canva, and you will also need, let me bring this down here. You're going to need the D-ID. That's what you saw in Canva. I do have a paid subscription. Well, right now I only have 11 credits left because they do go by credits. Let me go to the pricing so you can see what the pricing is here. Let me go click on here so you can see the pricing. Okay, there is a trial version of this with the D-ID. It is $0 a month, and you only get 5 minutes of video time. Now, they update the time for you every month. Whatever day you actually start this on, this is the day they update it for you. So say, for instance, today you sign in, which is the 6th. The 6th of March is when you get a new batch of 5 minutes or credits. So 1 credit equals up to 15 seconds of video. You get a personal license. Um, you get a full screen watermark, meaning that their watermarks is going to be behind your video. You get limit support. You get the premium and standard presenters, and you get 15 AI presenters prompts generated, meaning those are the prompts that I showed you that I only have 11 available. You do get the Canva plugin and then the PowerPoint plugin. I have not used the PowerPoint plugin. I have used the Canva. Now that is the free plan. It doesn't cost you anything. So what I have is the light plan, which is $4.70 a month, or you can be billed $56 annually, a year. And that's what I chose to do. I don't want to worry about having to renew it every month. So I get 52, excuse me, I get 40 credits, and I get 10 minutes of video. 1 credit equals up to 15 seconds of the video. I still get the personal license. I get the DID watermark, and that's at the bottom, and you can kind of cover it up with your own logo. Um, I get the silver support, standard. I get the standard presenters only, and then I get 50 AI presenters prompts generated. And I also get the AI script generator as well. So that is what I get um, monthly, which I pay for the yearly plan. So it's up to you what plan you want to go with, but I would suggest go with the trial base before you up it to the light base. So the next thing I do use, let me get out of this. The next thing I use is the 11 Labs. 11 Labs also have a basic plan as well. Uh, Let me get into the pricing here for you. Let me see the subscription. So the subscription on this, there is free subscription, what you get on 11 Labs. And what 11 Labs do is allow you to do your voiceover. Um, it allows you to choose different voices. It have a little bit more voices than what Canva would allow you to get. And so what you get here, it tells you what's included. There's no commercial license for this for the free. You get 10,000 characters per month, meaning you're typing in what you want your character to say. And so you once you reach your 10,000 characters, uh, then it will not be available until the following month from the time that you sign up, the date that you sign up. You can create up to 3 custom voices. Uh, you can create a random voice using voice design. You can access, share voices in the voice library. You can generate compelling speeches in 29 languages. Dubbing is available in this free plan as well. API, excuse me, API access, and then high quality audio output, and the attribute to 11 Labs. is required. Now, this is the plan that I actually know. You can go to the starter plan if you want, but I went to the creator plan. And trust me, there's more plans available. If you go down, scroll down, you see all these plans available. So I went to the third plan uh, because I am doing daily quotes. I needed more than just 10,000 characters a month. This plan, right now, they have it on sale for $11 a month, and that's for your first month. After your first month, it's going to go up to $22 a month, but you can always downgrade your plan if you want. So I get everything in the free plan as well as the starter plan. And then the remaining I get in the creator plan. So this will allow you to actually choose, and I will show you later in the video on how to use this. Now, the next thing you are going to need, you can use Chat GPT, which I pay for this plan as well. I do pay a monthly fee for Chat GPT. It is $20 a month to use this. And then if you can actually use Bing as well. I have an account set up on a Bing, which I don't pay for anything. It's absolutely free to you. With Bing, all they want you to do is use the search engine, and you end up earning credits to use to create your image with Bing. I'm going to show you how to use Bing. Now, with Bing, just to let you know, you cannot sell anything that you create in their Chat GPT or their image upload. You cannot sell your images, or any image you upload, you cannot sell them. With Chat GPT, you can. So that's why I use Chat GPT, because I actually sell my images as well as making them and putting on t-shirts. You will see in a later video what I've done and actually uploaded these to sell, my images to sell. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm first going to go into Chat GPT. And what you want to do is tell Dali what you want it to create for you. And like I said in the last video, I actually save my prompts that I create and then go back and kind of revise it again to what I want. So this time I'm actually going to um, do another video on a quote for tomorrow. Okay, so I had to sign in, so it's now creating it again for me. Was creating the image for me. Takes a moment. So this is what it gave me, which I think I'm going to let you see. I'm going to click on it so I can see a big shot of it. So you can see a big shot of it. She's pretty. She's typing. Looks like she only have 4 fingers here, and she looks fake. And I don't like that. Let's look at the other one. Looks like she has all her fingers here. Just don't like the hair, and I'm going to change to suit. And I think I want to make her a little bit lighter. So we're going to go ahead and revise this again. And I'm just going to type revise. And I'm going to go ahead and reword this again. Okay, so I'm revising the picture. So what I am asking Dali to do is to revise and change your hair to black braids and remove the glasses. Change your clothing to a white jumpsuit. The background scene is a casual office, and she is sitting at her desk typing on her computer, looking straight ahead. The atmosphere should be casual setting, and the image should be still be in the landscape mode in 5K hyper detail. So we're going to go ahead and click on this again and see what comes up and see what it gives me. And it is still making its way here. Okay, so this is what it's giving me. I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. That looks nice. She looks nice. I like that. This is more of a casual. And then let's check out the other one. She looks nice too. I like that one as well. She's more animated and she's more realistic looking, which is okay. I'm not sure. I do see her fingers, but I'm not sure what's going on with the sleeve here. But overall, it still looks good. So I'm going to keep both of them. And what I'm going to do, oops, I'm going to actually make sure I copy the prompts that it's given me. And you'll click on that little eye and it'll give you the prompts. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it. And I'm going to save it on my Word document. I'm just going to save it on my Word document. So next time I can uh, reword it. And that's how you do that. Get your Word document and just keep your prompts. So next thing I'm going to do, I am going to download this to my computer. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the other. Now, this has the same wording here. And she doesn't look like she's 40, but it's, that's what I asked her to give me. But she's so much younger, which is okay. I am going to go ahead and download this. Okay. Now, what I want to do, I want to show you how to take the prompts that you created and take it over to Bing and see what Bing gives you. When you're on the front page, you want to go and search for image, and in image, it'll bring up create. So once you click on create, it is going to bring you to this. And what you want to do, if you don't know how to create an image in Bing, actually it'll show you here if you click on learn. So it tells me I have 15 credits. I actually have more than that, if you can see up here. So I am going to type in this, and I think Copilot is what you need to go to. I'm going to paste in what I had put in on ChatGPT and see what this gives me. Now, Bing only lets you put so many words in it. It says you have 15 boosts for the day. Use your boosts to create image more quickly. If you run out, image generator may take longer. So I'm going to go ahead and click, because I just pasted in here and see what it did. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create and see what it brings me. And as you can see over here, this is what I created before. Okay, so it gave me the same thing ChatGPT gave me. And let me click on this. You can see the girls here. I'm going to click on here and see if I can. Okay, there she go. Now she's pretty. You can see her really good. And here is what I requested. It shows you that. And here's the other one. She's gorgeous too. And there's the other one. So I like all three of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just download all three of them. And how you do that is click on download. And then we'll go and save it. Download that one. I'm going to download this one. And it's a little slow. Her part of her top of her head is not showing, but it's okay. I'm going to download her as well. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and save this into my folder. Um, and I have an external drive that I save everything on instead of putting everything on my actual computer. So give me a moment and I'm going to bring that up as soon as I get my mouse together. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have this open already. Let me go back and open this file here. It's behind here. And what I'm going to do is drag, this is three of them. It came in JPEG, which is good. And I'm just going to drag them over to the folder I created into my Bing folder. And then these are the ones that I did earlier, which is the dolly. I am going to go ahead and these two are in jumpsuits. I'm going to go ahead and um, bring them over to their folder. And I have a folder for ChatGPT designs. So let me open that up. And I'm going to drop it in there into that folder. So basically what you do, make sure you separate your designs because you definitely don't want to have your Bing designs and your ChatGPT designs together because you may forget which one is which. And just remember, you cannot sell the Bing designs, but you can sell the ChatGPT designs. So now that I have that out the way, I'm going to bring over my folder because I want to show you that because I brought it over using ChatGPT, those other two files, which I'm going to show you that we generated, these two. They look really, really the same. This one does. Uh, I'm going to bring the folder over so you can see. As you can see, it came in as a web-based um, picture. I need to change this to a PNG. So I am using a Apple computer. I right click and I do quick action and then I convert the image. I'm going to convert it not to a JPEG. I like to convert mine to a PNG. And I'm going to keep it at the actual size. And I'm going to go ahead and hit convert. It's going to give me another one. And we're going to leave it as right here. And then I'm just going to delete this because I don't need this one. And we're going to move this to trash. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I'm going to right click, quick service, and we're going to convert the image. I'm going to change it to a PNG, keep the actual size, and convert it to a PNG. That's all you do. And I'm going to go ahead and delete the web-based one. Move it to my trash. Okay, so these two are already set up that I got off of ChatGPT. Now, the ones that I got off of Bing, I created a Bing folder, which is right here. And here they go. They came in as a JPEG, which is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. We're done with downloading the pictures. So let's go over what I did. Basically, what I did, well, I went into ChatGPT. I gave it the prompts that I wanted to do. And then I didn't like these, so I revised it, and this is what they gave me. I downloaded them. After I downloaded them, I went over to Bing and I clicked on image, and then I also clicked on create. And this is where I came to create. Once I created it on Bing, uh, this is what it gave me. And they look pretty good. Look really good. One of the girls looks just like the one that I created in ChatGPT. I downloaded it by clicking on download, and I created a folder strictly for Bing images that I created. And you know that you cannot resell or sell Bing images. Okay, so what I'm going to do is exit out of this. And when you come back into Bing, your girls are always here. Now, I created this a while back here. Did I? Yeah, these were a while back. I created this. So now it only took one credit. Remember, I had started off with 15. It only took one credit. So this is what we have. Okay, so the next step I'm going to do, this is a step now. The next step we're going to do. Okay, so what I have done is created some words to actually put here. I typed everything in my Word document, and so I'm just going to put a welcome. This is my quote for tomorrow, and this is what the quote is. Crafting is the best form of self expression. So I am just going to bring this up to the top. And, and my apologies. We are in we are in 11 labs. And so when you sign up for 11 Labs, this is where you come to the speech section here, and you're typing in the speech of what you want your avatar to say. Um, I have this particular one, uh, and I'll let you hear her in just a moment. Okay, so what I did was in the speech part, the text part, I put in what I wanted my avatar to tell you or to say. And this is what I came up with. Once you do that, um, you can choose your voice of the avatar you want. Mine's have already been generated, but they have quite a bit down here that you can choose from. You won't see a list like this, but you'll see another list that has a array of different men and women actually speaking. Um, and then also, uh, you can set your settings as well, uh, where whether it's English or multiple languages. Um, you can do text to speech. Um, there's quite a bit you can do here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just let you listen to this is the one I like. I like her for the young lady I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to click on that so you can see.
Crafting is the best way to unwind.
And she's real nice. Now, this is another one.
Hey there, crafty enthusiasts. It's your crafting companion.
And that one's really nice. And I tend to stick with those two. Now, let's see with Natasha.
Welcome to Crafting with the Queen.
She is more metal. So I'm going to stick with this one. Araya, I'm going to stick with her. You're going to do it from text to speech. And you can actually dub your own voice as well in here. But I'm not going to use my voice. I'm going to use this voice here. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. And once it's generated, it'll let me know that it's completed.
Crafting is the best form of self-expression.
There you go.
Welcome to Crafting with the Queen, where we believe that crafting is the best form of self-expression. Dive into a world where your hands bring your imagination to life, transforming simple materials into extraordinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting your journey, you're in the perfect place to explore, learn, and grow. Let's celebrate the joy of making, share our unique stories through our crafts, and inspire each other every step of the way. Get ready to express yourself in ways you've never imagined. Welcome aboard. Hey, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and like my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell to be notified when we upload new videos or go live.
I'm going to go ahead and download this. And then I'm going to save it to my folder that I'm working on. Okay, so I downloaded this and put it in a folder on my drive. And now the next thing we're going to do, I already saved it, so we're going to get out of that. And so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to DID, and we're going to download the character that we have. It is a process, but it's quickly because you can continue to do this and get used to it. So I am going to do a new one. I'm going to do, let's see here, create a video up at the top. You're going to create a video. It's going to bring it up. And I'm going to upload her. You can see all the girls that I uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and upload the one I want. She's pretty. And I think I'm going to go with her. I'm going to upload her. I'm waiting for it to upload. Maybe I have to do, let me see, upload. There we go. Okay, so I've uploaded her. Now, you do have positions here up at the top where you can center her or however you want to do the movement of the picture. Let's see here. Okay. Do you want to do happy or natural? I'm going to keep her natural. Keep her natural. Her expressions is basically what we're going for. So I'm going to keep that natural. And then I will upload the audio here. Let's see here. I want to do the background. Let's see here. We can do the wide format. That's what it's on. Or we can do the square, vertical, or fit to page. So I think they had it on the wide. I'm going to go ahead and put a background behind here. I think I want to put a background behind here. yeah, I'm going to put a background behind this. I'm going to leave it as white, and everything else looks the same. And let's see here. You can go over here to backgrounds, and you can actually put a background behind this. You can even put text on here if you want. Um, I'm just going to go for maybe a blue background because I've been doing a lot of browns. So let's see if I can find a really, really nice blue background. I don't want to sitting on the beach or anywhere. So we're going to find a background here. And so we're going to go with this blue background. I don't need to type a script because remember when we were in the 11 labs, we had already typed it. And so we created the voice for it. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to upload the video. But just in case you have the standard version of this is where you would come in, write your script, choose your person that you want, and it has all these voices here that you can choose from. Some of them you have to have a paid program to use it. So you can use the voices here, or you can use the voice in the lab, which that is free. That's free as well. I'm going to go ahead and upload this. Let me go ahead and upload my voice here. Let's go to, I think I put it in this one, in voices. And here we go, self-expression. Now, before you put it in here, it does give you the option to listen to it.
Crafting is the best form of self-expression.
There we go. I'm going to go ahead and upload it. And this is going to be for tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It says 51 seconds here, and we can generate the video, but I want to make sure.
Crafting is the best form of
Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the video. It says that I have 11 credits. It's going to take 4 of the 11 credits that I have, but I do want to go ahead and actually name this. And we are going to do, what did I name this as? Give me just a second here. So I've given it a name, my video, the name of what I am doing the video on. Crafting is the best form of self-expression. And it is doing the draft on this, and it's going to load it up for me. It may take a little time, but I had 11 credits left, which it took 4 of the 11 credits. Now, I won't get another set of credits until I believe the 12th. So I must be mindful of how many videos I'm doing, because I don't want to up the plan. I, just want to do it as minimum as possible. But I use all my credits of trying to learn how to do this. As you can see, I have some double ones that I did, which I used my credits up, not correctly. I created stuff on Canva when I could have came here to create it and then downloaded it to Canva. I didn't have to do that. And that's why you see this. And I could have saved the credits. So it's actually still uploading it. Shouldn't take that long. to do this. I'm going to refresh it and see if I can, because it shouldn't take that long. I'm going to refresh. Okay, so I just had to refresh it. So now you see here that is already created. I'm going to click on this and it's going to show you her voice, her speaking, and how the voice is in tune with her speaking. So let me play it.
Crafting is the best form of self-expression. Welcome to Crafting with the Queen, where we believe that crafting is the best form of self-expression. Dive into a world where your hands bring your imagination to life, transforming simple materials into extraordinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting your journey, you're in the perfect place to explore, learn, and grow. Let's celebrate the joy of making, share our unique stories through our crafts, and inspire each other every step of the way. Get ready to express yourself in ways you've never imagined. Welcome aboard. Hey, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and like my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell to be notified when we upload new videos or go live.
Okay, so that's it. I created this. I'm going to go ahead and download this video. Now I do want to show you over
Crafting
here.
is the best form of
I'm sorry. You will see in the video it has the DID in it. I'm going to bring it over to Canva. I'm going to download it. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and save this. Okay, so I have saved this particular video. So we're done with DID. We're done with the 11 labs. We're done with ChatGPT. And we're done with Bing. We're done with Bing. So what I'm going to do now is bring up Canva. And I'm just going to show you in Canva the I'm going to go ahead and upload my video to Canva. Now, you like I said, you could have done this in Canva, but I did it in DID, which is the same. And I'm going to just bring it over here. Let me upload my video. And we are going to go to here it is, right there, right there. I'm going to open it up. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to create a video because I want to put this on another video. But I just want to show you, this is the basic in what you do. And then we'll just go over the steps that what I did. But I'm waiting for this to upload so you can see exactly how I'm doing this. Okay, so my video has loaded up. I am going to go ahead and go home, and I am going to let me click on home camera. Okay, I'm going to click on video, and I'm just going to do create a blank video. That's all I'm going to do, create a blank video. I am going to go back to uploads, click on video, and I'm going to bring in this video.
Crafting is the best form of self-expression. Welcome to Craft.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you, if you see, there we go. You see their logo here, where I will put my logo here instead of using theirs. I can hide their logo and put my logo there. My logo. Okay, this is my logo, so I'm just going to bring it down. And then I'm going to go up to elements and get the circle I use because I want to make this into a circle. And kind of bring this up a little bit and put it in there. And goes right into the circle. And want to kind of crop it in and bring it up a little bit. Here we go. And I think it's good. Okay, now I am going to kind of bring this down and hide over their side. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and give this outer part a background. So I'm going to go to elements again, and I'm going to just click on backgrounds. I'm going to say blue. Blue backgrounds. Okay, so these are some pretty backgrounds here. Kind of offset this here. Let me see all. Some nice ambience. I'm going to right click and set. That's pretty. I kind of like that. Yeah, we're going to go with that. It's even pretty here. Let me undo this. Detach. I'm just going to delete because I can always go back. That's pretty. Let's see how this looks. Now, we're going to detach this and delete. I think I'm going to go back to the one that I had. Which one? I think it was this one. And we're going to, and I think that's good. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to make sure this is centered. And it is centered. And I am going to make sure I put my YouTube information on here. And we go back to elements and see all. It always give you the ones that you've been using before. So I'm going to do this one and put it down in the picture here, right in that corner. Subscribe. Bring it up a little bit. And I think that's looks good. And so what I want to do now is to group everything. So I'm just highlighting it and group it. And then we are going to save this. Yeah, we are going to share it. Actually, I do need to go ahead and save this. Let me save this as the name of the video again. Let's see. It is crafting. Let me save it here. So crafting is the best form of self-expression. Okay, and we are going to save this. Go to File and save to folder. And I did do a quote folder for YouTube. I'm saving it in there. We're saving it there. Now I'm going to go ahead and download this and save it on the drive. I'm going to share. I'm going to download. Gonna leave everything as is. Download, and it's downloading it for me. And then you'll just save it in a folder that you want to. Once you save it, then you can go to YouTube or share it with, go to YouTube and upload your video. But that's exactly how you do it. It was very easy. Sorry it took so long, but this is how you create an avatar, talking avatar. To my subscribers, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click on the notification so when I do upload new videos, you'll be notified. Until next time, we will see you in the next video.